A startup from Andhra Pradesh, Elon Motors Engineering Private Limited, who later got incubated at International Center for Entrepreneurship and Technology located in Ahmedabad, has launched their brand new Arita bikes, starting with a cargo electric utility bike. Their team called this bike as Model C. Here C means cargo. This electric bicycle is fully designed and developed in India, and it is one of the most versatile and customizable e-bike with wide range of accessories combinations. The bike can easily carry 150 kg of payload. A rider can carry loads of cargo with the bike's multi-utility options. Also, two people can comfortably fit in this bicycle and can enjoy a pollution-free ride. In addition, these bikes also support delivery fleet. For delivery persons, this bike is the best option due to its ruggedness and comfort. You can either pedal this bicycle or you can simply accelerate and use it as a bike, or you can use its hybrid pedal assisted technology. For several applications like urban deliveries, rental fleets, corporate campuses, individual usage, for multiple purposes, this bike can be used. Now let's see the body of this e-bike. It is built with carbon steel for high durability and agility. Also, there is front suspension for better ride comfort, front and rear mechanical disc brakes for sharp braking, and there is a multi-dynamic LED display shows battery power light button and ride modes. The maximum speed of this bike is 25 km per hour and it requires no license and registration to ride. The best part of this e-bike is its lightweight. It only weighs 25 kgs including its battery pack weight. The batteries used in this bike are lithium-ion, comes with BMS, and the battery pack is detachable. The basic version of this bike comes with 60 km range and it can be upgradable up to 100 km. The bike can have multiple customization of bags and trays based on customer requirements. Now let's see the e-bike specifications. The Model C by default gets a single-speed drivetrain, but it can be upgraded to a 7-speed drivetrain. It works with 250 watt DC hub motor. The bike has a peak torque of 45 Newton meters and the payload capacity is 150 kg. And the startup is providing 2 years of warranty for the bike frame and electric motor and 1 year for its battery. Finally, this e-bike is open for pre-booking for 999 rupees. Interested users who book this bike now can get 4000 rupees off on final price. They can get this bike for 31,999 rupees. After the offer, the bike price will be 35,999 rupees. We will provide the pre-booking link in the description below. Go green, go electric. Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.